Hello guys, today I draw this picture from number 9. Let's go start the video. At first we draw the number 9. After draw the letter J. Then we draw the curved line. Now I draw the another curved line.
Subscribe now.
Draw as like
Press the bell
inverses.
icon. Never miss an update.
Now I draw the letter V. Now I draw zigzag line. Connect the line. Now I draw another V. Draw two line. Now I draw oval shape. And now draw two line. Our leg is finished. Now I draw the letter V. Now I draw the letter O. So dear viewers, if you are new viewers in our YouTube channel or Facebook page, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video. Tata, bye bye.